Guys, ayan na ang pangyayari ngayon. Painit na ng painit. Grabe.
A response, a comment on the second point of the good gentleman from Taguigan Pateros, because there's nothing funny or illogical in and between the motion of the minority leader and the seconding of this representation. The motion of the minority leader is to convene at this very moment. That is what is to be subjected to a vote. Now, instead of on Wednesday. To convene at all is not to be voted upon. Sa usaping yan, sundin lang natin ang konstitusyon.
Secretary, you may proceed.
Mr. President, I don't want to further the division or the debate, and I wasn't making fun of it. Ang sinasabi ko po, the reality is may tama't mali, may moral, immoral, may legal at illegal. Hopefully, dun tayo parati sa tama. Hopefully, ang legal, yun din ang moral. Ang problema in a collegial body, Senate, House, Commission on Appointments, we move as one based sa pagboboto. So it's just showing the irony that if the minority leader was moving that we've convened now, and the deputy minority leader was saying, you don't need a vote. But if you can vote whether it's now or Wednesday, then I can also argue, then I can also move na saka na. If you can vote whether today or Wednesday, then you can also vote na next Monday or next Thursday. So that is the paradox we are in today. So whatever decision we make, sana may wisdom. Sana matupad ang konstitusyon, dapat matupad ang konstitusyon, dapat ang kalooban ng ating mga kababayan. But the reality is po, we will be acting as a body and the vote will matter.
Pinagtataka ko lang guys, bakit ganun ka si Hontiveros na matanggal na si VP? Ano bang ginagawa ni VP laban sa kanila? Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Nagtataka lang ako ha? Bakit kaya? Mas malaki yung pondo na wawala sa pondo na inano ni Risa dati, di ba? Bakit kaya?